In this channel, in this YouTube channel, I have uploaded few problems on mathematics, class 12 mathematics, that is on calculus. And only one lecture was given on the subject matter of physics. And this is the second lecture. The first lecture was on rectilinear motion, the dynamics part. Better to say kinematics part. You know that dynamics has two parts, kinematics and kinetics. In kinematics, the first chapter is on rectilinear motion, means motion along a straight line. And here also we are considering motion along a straight line. This is the motion of lift. Lift is going either in the upward direction or in the downward direction with an acceleration. Okay. So the first test is the lift is moving in the upward direction with an acceleration A. Say this is the lift. Okay. And there is one human body, one human being is standing inside the lift. There is one man standing inside the lift and the lift is moving with an acceleration A in the upward direction. So, since the lift is moving with an acceleration A and the man is standing inside the lift, that means man is also moving in the upward direction with an acceleration A. Suppose the man has a mass of m. The man has a mass of m. This is not the mass of the lift. This is mass of the man only. This man. Okay. Mass of the man is m. So when he is standing inside the lift, then normal reaction will be acting in the upward direction, exerted by this floor. Exerted by this floor in the upward direction. So suppose this is the human body. This is the human body. Okay. This point denotes the human body. And on this human body, in the upward direction, what is acting? Reaction. Normal reaction R. Normal reaction R is acting in the upward direction. And weight of the man is how much? It is the mass of the man multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, that is small g. So mg is the weight of the man which is acting in the downward direction. And since acceleration is present, which is in the upward direction, that means there must be some resultant force acting in the upward direction. So that means this R, normal reaction R, must be greater than mg. That is why this motion is possible. Otherwise, it wouldn't be possible. Okay, R must be greater than mg. That is why acceleration in the upward direction is possible. So R minus mg, this is the net resultant force acting in the upward direction. R minus mg is the net resultant force acting in the upward direction, and that net resultant force should be equal to what? Mass of the man multiplied by acceleration according to Newton's second law of motion. Okay, so mass of the man is m, acceleration is a. So this is the required equation. R minus mg is equal to ma. From where we can write R is equal to, you take this mg in the right hand side. So m into g plus a. R is equal to m into g plus a. Okay. When the lift is not moving, it is standing still. In that case, what would be there? A will be 0. In that case, A will be 0. So R will be equal to mg. Reaction, normal reaction will be equal to mg. The man will feel of his own weight. Okay. But when the lift is moving in the upward direction, then you can see that this normal reaction is equal to m into g plus a. So this R is greater than mg. Since A is positive, so R is what? R is greater than mg. Normal reaction acting on the man is greater than of his own weight. So the man will feel heavier. The man will feel heavier when he is going in the upward direction with an acceleration. The man will feel heavier. Now consider the second case. Second case is the lift is moving in the downward direction. Okay, lift is moving in the downward direction. The lift is moving in the downward direction. So here, this is the downward direction, acceleration is again here A. So this point denotes the mass, point mass. This point denotes the mass of the man. So here also R must be acting in the downward, upward direction, because still the man is standing on the floor of the lift. So R must be acting in the upward direction and weight of the man will be acting in the downward direction. And acceleration is in the downward direction. That means here in this case, weight of the man mg must be greater than R. In the previous case, R was greater than mg. In this case, second case, here mg must be greater than R. That is why downward movement with an acceleration is possible. Otherwise, it would not be possible. Okay. So here we should write mg minus R. This is the net resultant force in the downward direction. mg minus R is the net resultant force in the downward direction, and this must be equal to mass into acceleration of the man. Acceleration of the lift is equal to acceleration of the man, because there is no relative movement between the man and the lift. So acceleration of the lift and acceleration of the man should be same. So mg minus R is equal to ma. From where we are getting what? We are getting R is equal to mg minus ma. So m into g minus a. We are getting R is equal to m into g minus a. Right? Here also, if a is 0, then R is equal to mg. Okay? And here we can see that R is what? R is less than mg. Since a is positive, so R is less than mg. Here in this case, R is less than mg. That means here the man will feel lighter than its own weight. The man will feel lighter in weight. Okay. And if A is equal to G, if this be the case, then in that case R will be equal to 0. The man will not feel any weight. The man will feel weightless in this case. If acceleration is equal to G, acceleration of the lift or the acceleration of the man, if it is if it is equal to small g, then in that case reaction will be 0. So the man will feel weightless. Similarly, if you jump from the roof of a building, okay, so the time in which you are freely falling, okay, during that time you will feel weightless, because there is, in that case, reaction is 0. So here, if A is equal to G, then R is 0. And if A is more than G, say the case is A is more than G, then what will happen? If this be the case, acceleration is more than acceleration due to gravity. In that case, if you use this equation, then R becomes negative. R becomes negative. What is the meaning of this? Reaction becomes negative. Reaction becomes negative. That means the man will no longer be standing on the floor of the lift. He will be stuck on the ceiling of the lift. Okay, the man will be stuck on the ceiling of the lift if acceleration crosses acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration of the man crosses. If acceleration of the man crosses acceleration due to gravity, in that case, this man will, for this man, it is not possible to stand on the floor of the lift. He will be stuck on the ceiling of the lift. And in that case, reaction will be acting in this direction, in the downward direction. Negative acceleration means, negative reaction means reaction will be acting in the downward direction, and it will be possible only when the man stuck to the ceiling of the lift. Okay, that will be the case. That is very interesting. So R is equal to negative, means this case. One more thing I want to say here, that I have one colleague, and we have written few books which are available in Amazon, e-books. Only online purchase is possible, and those are Kindle edition. So you know Kindle edition is what? I am writing the names of the authors. Okay, names of the authors. This is the first author. Second author is myself. This is my name. Deepak Shah is my name, and Sangita Gandhi. If you search by using these names, only this name is sufficient. If you search Amazon website by using this name, you will get few books. All the books are e-books. Those are not hard copies. All the books are e-books, and solved problems are given in those e-books. Okay. Prices are kept very low. Those are available only in Amazon website. If you want, you can purchase. Okay. Anyway, I am going to give solutions of the problems of class 11 and class 12 mathematics course in this channel. Name of this channel, you know that? Name of this channel is Vishwasundari. Okay. Name of the channel. And in that channel, I'll try to show you or upload maximum number of solved problems. Still, if you want, you can purchase ebooks from Amazon website. Amazon, you know this, students know this site, Amazon. In Amazon, mathematics books, mostly mathematics books. Few books are there on physics. Still writing books on physics. It is in progress, okay? This is not completed, still it is not completed. Anyway, so this is your choice, okay? You can either follow this YouTube channel, or you can purchase ebooks from Amazon website. These are the names of the authors. She is my colleague, Sangita Gandhi. She is my colleague, and this is my name, Deepak Shah. So these books are available in Amazon, only in Amazon website. Okay. Prices are kept very low. If you want, you can purchase all those books. Those are actually manuscripts. Okay. Those are not printed. Those are manuscripts. Manuscripts are also sold in Amazon website. In all the books, in each book, 30 to 40 problems. In some e-books, 50 to 60 problems have been solved for the benefit of the students, and that is why prices have been kept very low. Minimum prices have been kept. Okay, so these are the name of the authors. This is the first author. In most of the books, this is the first author, this is second author, and in few of the books, this is first author and this is second author. Okay, so only this name is sufficient. If you search Amazon website by using this name, Sangita Gandhi, Ghamti, Sangita Gandhi, then you will get all those books. So it is your choice whether you will purchase or not. And if you don't want to purchase, you can follow my YouTube channel. I will try to solve most of the problems available in books, okay, in YouTube channel. And each video will be for only one problem. Okay. Anyway, if you have any queries regarding mathematics or physics or any other subject, okay, in near future I will upload other subjects also, such as chemistry and any other subject, such as human physiology, that is biology, in the same channel, in this channel, okay. So, so what? No. Anyway, you can follow this channel. I think most of the students will be benefited if you follow carefully this channel. Anyway, thank you.